Welcome to this episode. So today we are going to learn basic tips or basic tutorials in Photoshop. So when you open Photoshop, this is what you see. So we have some categories here that you can choose from. But as a starter or as a beginner, just come to print. This area, you click on print. With the print, it has a lot of paper sizes that you can choose from. You have A4, A5, A3, B5. All paper sizes are here. But maybe you have a specific size that you want to use. You come here and you type the measurement there, whether it's in inches, centimeters, millimeters, or points. You just click and enter your measurement there. Now after doing that, you come to this area and you create. So let's say you choose A4 paper size. Let's click on the A4, then we create. Now after creating, you see your layer. Photoshop works with layers. Now we have a layer panel here. If you can't find the layer here, you come to window, then you see the layer is here. If you can't find it, you just click it to show or to pop up here. So the first thing you do is to unlock this lock from there, from the background. So you click on it to just unlock. So let's say you want to paint the background or you want a color on the background. You come to the paint bucket tool. This is the paint bucket tool. You click on it. When you click on it, the color that is going to come is here. This yellow is going to come. So when I want maybe black, I click on the yellow. I choose the color that I want. So let's say I want black. I click on OK, and I paint. Now, if you want to create another layer, you come here. You come to this icon, the plus icon. You click on it to just create another layer. So we have one layer as the background layer. We have another layer on top. Now let's say you want to change the background color from black to maybe green. We come here, we click on it, then we choose our green color from here. We click OK, then we click on the canvas. We have different ways of changing the background. You can also come to this particular panel, this one, adjustments layer. You click on it, then come to solid color. The first one, solid color. You click on it. Now here you can change it to any color just with the click of a button. You can change it to any color that you want. So if I want blue, I click, then I'll just change it. This is basically how to paint the background in Photoshop. Thank you.